Passive income, an unearned income that is acquired automatically with minimal labor to earn or maintain. With the uncertainty in today's market from massive layoffs to rising inflation, it's almost a norm to have multiple streams of income, whether that's active or passive. So today I prepared 10 passive income apps that earns you money doing absolutely nothing. All it takes is some initial process to set up, and then you can earn some genuine passive income. Best of all, they're 100% free, so let's dive right in. First passive income app that I think everyone needs to have in their arsenal is Acorns. Acorns allow you to invest in the stock market without doing anything. You don't need to pick any stocks, ETFs, or crypto because the app will create a specialized portfolio that suits your needs. All you have to do is link your credit or debit card to your Acorns account. Then each time you spend your money, the app will automatically round your purchase to the nearest dollar. Meaning if you spend $9.25 on a breakfast burrito, then Acorns will take 75 cents from your card to your Acorns account and then invest it automatically. I really like how this is done automatically without having you to lift a finger. There is a $3 per month fee, but you can enjoy it for free for 4 years if you're a college student. Best of all the investing happens behind the scenes, so you don't even realize that you're investing. If you want to passively invest into the stock market, then get started today by getting an extra $5 bonus with the link in the description. Are you looking for a way to make money from real estate and earn passive income but have no idea where to begin? Then Fundrise investment app is for you because it is a real estate crowdfunding platform which allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio in private properties. During a recession like now, Fundrise is very optimal because their real estate portfolio is built to withstand times of economic distress by following something called value investing model, which means they attain properties for much less than what the actual value is. Historically, from 2014 to 2019, the annual return on investment was between 9 to 12%. That's really good if you compare it to the average return on the stock market over the long term, which is just around 10 to 14%. All in all, stock market investing is great, but if you're looking to diversify and earn passive income, then investing in the real estate with Fundrise is a great way to start. There's an annual fee of 0.15%, which would be about $1.50 on an investment of $1,000. But use the link in the description to get 3 months free with no fee. Now, how does it sound to earn money for basically walking? Well, that's what Sweatcoin is designed to do. They literally pay you to walk. It's completely free to join, and all you have to do is install and sign up and never open the app again, because the app works in the background and it tracks all your steps. I normally take it to cycling on my Peloton and it still counts all the steps. It was actually rated as #1 on App Store in the US for one of the most popular money-making apps. The only drawback is that you aren't going to get rich and make a fortune because you can earn 1 Sweatcoin for every 1,052 steps that you take. 1 Sweatcoin is equivalent to about $0.013 US, but it can fluctuate. And yes, that's crypto. You can either exchange it for cash or purchase a lot of products and services offers they have. Okay, as I've said, you don't make a lot, but if this is working in the background passively, then why are you complaining? You literally don't have to do anything. Sign up today with the link to get 5 bonus Sweatcoins. You know what else you don't have to do anything but leave the app in the background? An app called Honeygain. An app called Honeygain literally pays you to use your internet bandwidth. Simply, you're sharing your internet data, so the more you share, the more you can earn. You can either install this on your phone or on a computer and set the amount of data you're willing to share, and that's it. It's that easy. Now, in case you're wondering what the heck do they do with your internet bandwidth, you're helping businesses and credible companies to use this data gathered for price comparison, web statistics, and improve on their services. You can expect to earn about $30 per month if you allow up to 10 gigabytes per day. They pay you with PayPal or crypto. It's not a staggering earning, but that can possibly cover your internet costs or even your Netflix subscription. Sign up with the link to get $5 bonus start. Okay, here's another one that's similar to Honeygain called Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. Okay, I know the name just sounds like some computer repair shop, but I think it's actually one of the best passive income apps out there. Just like Honeygain, you earn money by signing up and leaving the app installed on your phone, tablet, or your computer. Or better yet, you can even install it on all your devices to double, triple, or even quadruple your earning. You can expect to earn anywhere between $3 to $5 per month per device. One downside is that there is a maximum earning cap of $50 per year from all your devices combined. But as mentioned, you can install it on as many devices as you want to speed up the earning process. They don't use your bandwidth like Honeygain does, but they do sell collected data of your device usage to companies to improve their products and services. The money is not staggering, but if you can earn doing nothing, then there's no disadvantage here. Payout is by PayPal or gift cards. Sign up today and start earning right away. We are now halfway through the list, and if you're enjoying the video, then I would really appreciate if you could like the video for the algo and subscribe for more similar contents. Next up, I have another similar app called Mobile Expression. Geez, what is up with these weird names? The app will pay you to simply sign up and install it on your mobile device. You can also get a $5 Amazon gift card for free within the first week of becoming a new member. However, don't expect to earn as much as you do with Honeygain or Nielsen Computer, because you can expect about $5 per month or $60 per year. Although it's not a lot, it's an easy app to install and run in the background for passive income. The only thing about this app is that it requires you to install a VPN on your device, and the payout method is through e-gift cards. So sign up today and receive your first $5 Amazon gift card. Moving away from sharing your data, let's talk about Rakuten. If you watch my other side hustle videos, I've mentioned this app multiple times because I just love how they pay you to shop online or in store. The company partner with thousands of retailers across the web such as Walmart, Nordstrom, and more, and they will pay you a certain percentage if you make a purchase. You simply install the Chrome extension on your PC and they will let you know if it has a cashback offer when you shop. Or you can install it on your mobile device and check for the store manually before you make the purchase. If you're already shopping online, then you might as well get money back for it, right? The cash out is directly deposited to your PayPal, and get a $10 welcome bonus when you sign up with the link in the description. Another great shopping app is Drop. It's similar to Rakuten, but what's different is that you can double dip with other shopping reward app like Rakuten. First, you install the app and then you shop as you do after you link your credit card or debit card to track your spendings. Some popular brands that you might shop daily are Instacart, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Uber, Walmart, and more. Honestly, there is no better way to earn solid cashback passive income like Drop and Rakuten. You can earn Drop points, which can then be redeemed for crypto, gift cards, contests, and donations. Sign up today and start earning right away. And we have another app that's similar to Drop called Dosh. Dosh? Doge? It works very similarly, so when you open the Dosh app, you link your credit card or debit card and you can then choose the retailers that you would like to make purchase at. By now I'm sure you're thinking there's a lot of shopping cashback apps. Well, that's the best part, because you can stack these apps and maximize your cashback. They all give anywhere between 1 to 10% cashback, and the payout method for Dosh is PayPal, and all you need is minimum of $25 earned to be eligible for a cash out. Sign up with the link in the description for $1 bonus. Last but not least on our list is SavvyConnect. This is another app that you can install and leave it in the background. But the real benefit to this one is that you can guarantee earn $5 per month for leaving it running or $60 per year. You can install on a maximum of 3 devices, which effectively earns $180 per year in passive income. The only drawback to all this is that the cash out method is by check only. Sign up with the link to get started today. Just remember that with all the apps mentioned in the video, you can effectively earn anywhere between $30 to $100 per month or even more. If these things are passively making money, then why not give it a try today and see for yourself? It can definitely help with your living expenses or your bills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.